Fix Dramabox app not opening or crashing. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Dramabox app not opening or crashing. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and clear your cache and data. So head over into your settings, and then from here, go ahead and look for the general settings, and then click on iPhone storage from here. And then under iPhone storage, go ahead and look for Dramabox. So once you find Dramabox there, you'll be able to find this option to offload the app. So simply select offload app, then reinstall. And then another thing you can do is to update the app on your app store. So open your app store, head over into the search tab, and then search for Dramabox. And then from here, go ahead and click on the update button to update the application on your device. And lastly, what you can do is to check your internet connection. So Dramabox requires a stable connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test, and then restart your router if needed. And that is how you can basically fix Dramabox app not opening or crashing.